Hi, want to build your own ultra low latency AI chatbot for free up to 10 times faster than ChatGPT? I'll show you step by step how to create a no-code, production-ready AI agent using Flowise, SambaNova, and Brave Search MCP. Let's get started. Flowise is a no-code, drag-and-drop platform that lets anyone build powerful AI workflows without writing a single line of code. You can easily connect different AI models, tools, and data sources to create custom chatbots and automation in minutes. Open Flowise chat flows and start a new flow. In the model settings, replace the default OpenAI key with your SambaNova API key. Select your SambaNova model. I'm using MetaLlama 4 Maverick. Paste the model name and base path URL from SambaNova. Add a simple tool calling agent to your workflow. Attach a buffer memory node so your agent can remember previous interactions. Set up your Brave Search MCP server. Enter your free Brave Search API key to enable real-time search capabilities. Connect all the nodes together in Flowise to complete your workflow. Test your agent and make sure everything is working smoothly. You now have a production-ready AI agent without writing a single line of code. And that's it, your no-code, production-ready AI agent is live. If this helped, follow for more no-code AI automation tutorials. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, see you next time.